Hello all my friends, hope you're having a fabulous, outstanding day. It was snowing. It's super windy again, and it was snowing, but the sun came out. It's in the 40s, it's cold, and I said, I'm waiting for clients to get back to me with regards to contracts, and I was like, let's try to do a 1 battery speed test, just for giggles. So we took the battery out, and we're gonna see if we can get anything done. I planned on doing it tomorrow, Monday, because it was gonna be like 50, about the same temperature, and it's still supposed to be blustery, but let's go see. Daylight savings time, we got an extra hour. All right, it's super cold. I got brain freeze, actually. This is the runway. Past 5. 1 battery. Colder than the other day. Sleeting right now, actually. 1 battery. Using the RELIVE app. 1 battery. Freaking cold. Sleeting in my face. 1 battery. Going with the RELIVE app. I might as well let you see the goat go in the snow and the sleet. Hey, buddy. Yeah, the goat likes the bad weather. Holy cow, it's sleeting. Ow, frickin' hurts. Holy shit. Ah, fudge. Holy cow. Oh. When I left the house, it was sunny. Oh, slippery. I got a brain freeze. Holy crap. Holy crap. I wonder how this video is going to come out. Oh, it's icy.
Hey, you doing a video, sir?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah. Now you tell me God's not funny. The sun's out now. The Lord has a sense of humor. Whoa. Cold. Can't even get the GoPro unsnapped. Can you see me? I got snow and sleet everywhere. Love you all, my friends. 1 battery. I'm gonna check the RELIVE app, check the video. I think we hit 44 with 1 battery on a very cold day. Love you all. See ya. Actually, I had to turn the camera back on, because look. It's still windy. but the snow's gone. And everything's wet. My helmet, my Betty, my clothes. That's how quick it changed. I'm gonna upload this video today. All right, my friends, I love you all. See ya.